Hello!
Hello, beautiful people. Hello, foxes. Magandang umaga. Good morning, buenos dias. O, diba? Dala pa natin yung ano. Hi, Zai.
Hello! Maulan na Monday evening!
Oo nga, diba? So, do you like our video, our intro video?
Yes, I do. It's so Chinese.
Diba? Ganun talaga kasi, diba, ang inspiration ng Fox Tribe is from that, from the fox spirit. So the fox spirit is not just limited to the fox that is a regular fox, but can also be from the nine-tailed fox. Ayun. So the magical fox spirit creatures. Ayan. So yes, how much fun are we gonna have tonight as we explore and end the series for Suicide Prevention Month, and this is a wonderful topic that we will be having. Just this is very short. I hope. I don't know. Depende sa trip na mo ni Zai tonight. But before that, we would like to greet all our foxes. Hello to Dawn. Nahulog ang akong kuan, guys. Ang earrings. Epic fail. It's called earring fail. Kay dili man wardrobe fail, no? So earring fail. So anyway, hello to Dawn, hello to Aisha, and hello Ate Z, and of course, hello Ate Ria Rose, Darlene. Ayan. So those who are watching us, do send a sticker, a love, a heart, whatever that is, fun for you and like for you to send to us diba? On our way. Hello, puso-puso lang tayo dyan, diba? So tama ba niya akong opa na rin, guys? Hala, wait. Ako lang ang millennial na di kabalo. Basta ka ni guys, kabalo ka unsa ni.
Puto!
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 Nagduha!
Puto!
Copy! Puto, copy. Yan. Joke po, guys. Okay. So why are we starting with a funny, corny joke? It's a Bebe Boy joke or Avi joke. Actually, Avi was the one who shared that joke to me, but I still remember it until now. And hello to Marie Chris, ayan, and to Vane, ayan. Thank you for watching. So, today,
Hello!
ayan,
Ngayong gabi
kaninyong tanan. So, wag-ari lang ko nga side kay wala earrings dire. No? Ay, kaboang. So, tonight we will be talking about gratitude and peace. Why gratitude and peace? Today, September 21, 2020, is the International Day of Peace. Ayun, hangkog pinakalit. International Day of Peace and World Gratitude Day. So, with that, it is really wonderful kasi yung topic natin for the past 3 episodes was all about suicide awareness, how people get into depression and anxiety and how they want to end their lives. But one thing that we discovered just early last week, that when you enter into that space of gratitude, actually mawala ang imuhang problema. So, it might seem very parang cliche or paulit-ulit na siya sinasabi ng lahat na parang be grateful, dapat grateful ka every day, but and sometimes you and your mind will say there's nothing to be grateful for. But yeah, what if there's something to be grateful for? As simple as it doesn't really have to be that huge. So maybe Zai has something to add to that. So what?
Yes! Okay, ang aking favorite na if madungog ako o madungog pa sila ni Miss Lucia.
Actually, we can hear you then, Delani.
Okay, so yes, if you are grateful, if I just realized mga 3 years ago or 4 years ago that if you are grateful, whenever you feel gratitude in your heart, the universe will never stop sending you things or giving you things to be grateful about. And it's just a wonderful practice, you know. That attitude of gratitude, the pinaka-trio na gray, guys. Attitude of gratitude. Bayet. So there.
Yes.
So, salamat, Dani. I am also grateful for the rain Iba
Yes,
ko nang dilig.
and I'm also grateful for our internet connection, which is really awesome. Kahit kanina nahuhulog ako sa pag-host, no? At nahulog ako ng bongga. And actually, one thing that I'm really grateful for, there are things or events in our lives that we think na, why did that happen to me? And then in the long run, like after 2 weeks or 2 days, you find out na, that's why it happened to me, because it actually saved me. It actually protected me, or it actually was a contribution to me, or it was actually an advantage for me. Sometimes we think that we should be grateful for things that go our way. But sometimes things don't go our way because, again, the world is not perfect. The people around you don't react the way you want them to react. Like, for example, you're kind to them and then they are not kind to you. So, diba, what's there to be grateful for? And that's why the practice of sunya is actually also very wonderful, and it leads you to these feelings of gratitude and peace where everything is just okay. Yung parang hindi na ibig sabihin, okay, wala na akong problema. We're not saying we're discounting your problems, but we're just, taking a look at the things in our life that are working right now. Because we have this habit of checking and looking for things that are not working for us. But what if we look at the things that are working for us and be grateful for that? So yun, what if? What if? So I want all of you, to those who are listening to us, we have 11 million viewers. Hello. And we would like to honor and acknowledge Crown Embajador Corona, Rafael Diaz of Latin America or USA. Yes, diba? So hello, we are truly
Hola, hola.
honored to have you here with us, and Senyor Rafael. And hello to Miss Regina Palamor. Yan. Hello po sa iyo, tita. And hello to Aisha. And sabi ni Ate Zarina na millennial ba daw ko? Zarina, napa ko sa 1980. Secret. Charot lang. So, yes, Ate Z, I'm still a millennial. And hello to Vanessa Resede. And shout out sa ANV Cafe.
Hello? So, I think na nawalay si Tina. Okay. Yeah, so hello everyone. So this is ANV. Thank you, ANV. Thank you, Vanessa, for this. And yes, about what if we try to receive from everything, right? Like the good, the bad, and the ugly, and be grateful for it. Just like what's happening right now, ako ang ginapadayon ng imuhang gratitude. So just like what's happening right now for the world experience global pandemic for like 6 months na ba? Has it been 6 months?
Yes,
So
6 months.
yeah, so um this is actually it's something that the global pandemic cannot be stopped or cannot be controlled by us or anyone. So it just happened, and some people are too desperate to they wanted to blame it for whatever happened to their lives. But what if we pause for a while and ask, how can we use this to our advantage, and start looking at the things that are going on in your life right now, even the small things that this pandemic has contributed to you. So yes, what else is possible? And also, I have read kanina about International Peace, International Day of Peace on September 21st. Um, the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres called on all warring parties to lay down their weapons and focus on the battle against this unprecedented global pandemic. So this is also one of the mission or vision of Sunya, to attain peace and prosperity. So yes, with gratitude, of course, we will have a peaceful mind and a peaceful surrounding. So, diba? Kasi as above, so below. So, ayun. Anyone? If you have like stories of stories of peace and gratitude, you can share it with us. There. And Tina is back.
Hello! Ayan, I'm truly grateful talaga for our internet connection here in the Philippines.
True,
Diba?
true.
We can actually be pissed off with this. And actually earlier I was like, oh my God, what is wrong with this internet? But again, what's right about this, I'm not getting. So what else is possible beyond this? And thank you, Zai, for adding that about peace, about that International Day of Peace. And also, yeah, what are your stories of gratitude and what are your stories of peace? And we would love to hear them if you'd like to share, like or as simple as what are you grateful for today, diba? Or maybe it can be, oh, okay, yeah, there. The 2020 theme for International Day of Peace is shaping peace together. There you go. Thank you for that.
All right. So, yes, the theme for the International Day of Peace for 2020 is shaping peace together. It's it's part of, it's the one way of shaping peace together is showing compassion, kindness, and gratitude to one another. Now, my question is, are you shaping peace within you and around you? So
Yes, that's
there.
a wonderful question. Are you
Diba?
shaping peace within you and around you? Because sometimes we look at peace outside of us, but actually, if we don't find it first inside of us, we can never see the peace that actually exists outside of us. And this is again nahulog. Wait, saan dyan ako? Ang earrings diri guys. Ay, mahulog. Ang internet connection, nahulog. What's right about this? I'm not getting. And it's okay. So let's be quirky today, no? And so yes, let's by being peaceful with yourself, it actually trickles down to other people or to those around you. Kasi what we see or what we notice, like for me, I see people who are very peaceful with themselves, and what they see is peace all around them, even though there is chaos, even though there is like maraming magulo sa mundo, pero they find peace because they found it in themselves first. So peace is never an outside thing. It's never something that is like parang, yeah, there should be peace between two countries. There is no peace if there is no peace within, and that's why we are promoting Sunya, because Sunya is promoting peace within yourself. And thus, when you are very peaceful with yourself, as much as possible, you don't get into arguments or disagreements with other people. Thus, we create peace kasi you are at peace, and everywhere you go, kahit merong mga challenges, kahit merong mga mga magugulo na mga tao, because it's never, the world is not perfect. We are thrown here in a very imperfect world. We are here in a dysfunctional world. But it doesn't mean you also become dysfunctional because you're in this world. And one of the things that we can do, what contribution can we be? If you've seen our video, our intro video, what contribution will you be to the world? This is a wonderful contribution by being grateful and by being at peace with yourself. So yon. So I hope, so mga pang beauty queen daw ang tanong mo, sabi ni Kuya Chad.
Hello, buddy! Yes. Oo, tama pala. Speaking of peace, and si Lani, salamat Lani. Yeah, so about peace also and Sunya, it was also mentioned by our Shifu, Dr. Lim Xiaojin, that the world only needs 3% who does Sunya or who practices Sunya meditation. For that, in that 3%, the world will attain peace. Yun
Yeah.
lang. Yes. So yes, so what can we always ask, what can we contribute to planet Earth, or what does the Earth require of us? What does the Earth require of me? What if the Earth requires of you to be peace with yourself? And Sunya, 'di ba?
Yes. True, true.
Sunyahan lang natin 'yan.
Kaya nga eh. Kasi marami yung nag-aano, like for example, we talk about a lot of values. We talk about gratitude. We talk about peace. But how do you get there? How do you get into that space? It's not as simple as focus ka lang or positive thinking lang. Again, we have what we call toxic positivity. It's also not cute to brush things aside. As much as possible, you also have to become aware whether you're brushing things aside. Okay lang, kaya natin to, adja, ganun lang. Pero you're not doing things. You're not making a change. If there are things around you that is not working, something needs to be changed. And maybe as simple as changing your perspective. You don't really have to make big changes. That's why we really honor and appreciate people who are making small changes. And because if you're doing a change right now, today, you're actually creating your future today. So for example, I am me and I'm very hung up with what I did in the past, and I bring it with me in my present moment, and I keep on telling myself like, kasi hindi ko ginawa yun sa noong unang panahon, ang hina ko kasi sa ganito, sa ganyan, hindi ako nag-aral ng ganito, hindi ako nag-ano, so that's why I'm like this. And you keep telling your story over and over about your previous failures that are actually, what if you'd never failed? What if you never really failed? What if failure doesn't exist? What if those failures are actually just, parang, what if those doors that are closing are actually doors that are not for you, because there are other doors that are open that you never looked or hindi mo natingnan? Kasi again, in life, you have so many choices and possibilities. So medyo nawawala tayo. Pero what I'm trying to say is, Sunya is really a wonderful tool to ground you, to have this gratitude, this peace, not an artificial way. Kasi meron tayong maraming mga klaseng meditation na feel gratitude. Marami mga ganyan. So, but oh my gosh, guys, there are times that you don't feel gratitude. So how do you get there? How do you get there without discounting your feelings, without discounting yourself? And the best way is one of the best way. We're not saying this is the only way. We're saying that what if you try Sunya, as simple as reverse counting, as simple as 9 to 0. I'm sure if you watch, Netflix, if you can read subtitles on Korean novelas, I am sure you can do reverse counting, 9 to 0 lang. So I am sure you're very aware of that, how to do that. So wag mong sabihin na, hindi ko kaya yan. That's a very simple thing. But again, meron tayong mga telltale signs that if you cannot really finish the 9 to 0, it means, you need support. And, you can just message us here at the Fox Tribe. That's why we're here for you. And, and we're offering our service. We do extra in everything because we're extraordinary people. Charot. Ordinary people doing extra things. Ordinary people doing extra service. Ayan. So, medyo ang funny pakinggan. Pero totoo po talaga. Sige.
Yes.
It's
Parang
you.
extra rice lang sa penongs.
Oo. Oo, dinadagdagan lang talaga namin. Yung umiinom ka ng kape, dinadagdagan namin, tinuturuan ka namin ng sunya. Ganun kami ka-extra.
Totoo, parang lychee coffee na dinadagdagan ko pa ng reishi mushroom powder.
Oo, no? Tapos hindi pa talaga, grabe, si Zai na talaga ang winner sa reishi mushroom powder, no? Maliit na cup, merong coffee, nilagyan ng, grabe, ang daming reishi.
Masarap, oh my God, it's really yummy. Yes, and that also, I am very grateful also for DX and company. Speaking of gratitude, I'm really grateful for all the unique and delicious, very healthy mga concoctions and gawa ni Chief Food Datot Dr. Lim. Kaka-inspire. Yes, so there you go. Yeah, so what is peace for you and what is gratitude for you. Maybe
Yeah.
like question ni Tina kanina, how do you ano yan? How do you practice gratitude? Did you say that? How to do it? Now,
Yes.
for yes, the like sa pagising mo sa umaga, you think of the things that you're grateful about, or we're just sharing this one. It's actually from our from Access Consciousness. In the morning, we aside from Sunya, we also ask questions like, "Universe, show me something beautiful today, please," and voila, it just shows up. Everything shows up when you show up also to the universe, and that, my friend, is a very, very simple practice of gratitude. Asking the universe to show you something beautiful without even trying to force yourself to see things, to see beautiful things, because forcing is not really fun. So what if you just feel and you just, I know, not feel, but you just
Allow.
get in, yes, you just allow everything to unfold. And actually, hindi mo naman madedescribe talaga ang gratitude, no? Minsan
Talaga.
naiiyak ako pag napag-uusapan ng gratitude. But yeah,
Especially if we talk about who are we grateful for, the people around us. If we talk about the
yes.
people that we're grateful for, we actually get down, like we cry when we talk about the people around us that we are truly grateful for. And I would like to say hello to Joes. Hello, Joes. Siya, sa'yo daw kayo ta. Ano ko,
Oh my God.
Fox
Si
Gives.
Jos ang ating ngayon, yung parang consistent ang kanyang panonood ngayon, masayang masaya.
Talaga namin si Joes. Happy birthday to
Happy
Joes.
birthday, Jos!
Celebrants, we are truly grateful to our September celebrants, kasi we had the chance to eat lots and lots of cake.
Yes. And si Fanny, happy birthday, Fanny. Happy birthday,
Happy
Jay.
birthday, Jay and Ate Jen
Ate
Ramirez.
Jen, yes. Happy birthday!
So,
Yes.
meron tayong
So,
comment
there.
here, Shen Yu-er. I like your tool. I'm gonna go back to your tool later, but I'm gonna mention Vanene's comment, no? Sabi ni Vanessa, being in the place of gratitude does wonders. You also find peace and get to live in it. That's how it is for me. Yeah, so true. When you're in a space of gratitude, you're also in the space of peace. So actually, they go together. And tapos here, ano pa ba to? And Darlene is saying, also acknowledging our journeys. I think one thing that we should, this is Darlene's, one of the Darlene's wins, so I'm just gonna share because she's not here in the live, but she was in the XN Philippines live earlier. So acknowledging and grateful for Darlene's showing up for the XN Philippines M Miracle All J Essence. Was that Essence? So share kanina, and acknowledging our journey, as simple as acknowledging what you are going through, whether that is good, bad, or ugly. No, minsan we only acknowledge what is good around us, but we never truly acknowledge, the bad things that are happening to us. So one of the ways that we do it to keep ourselves real and authentic here in the Fox tribe is we really acknowledge when we don't feel good sometimes. Like we are like, okay, I don't feel good right now, and we don't, again, sabi ni Zai, we don't force ourselves to get out of that not feeling good right away. Yung parang we will, like, I need to drink because I don't feel good right now. I want to drink, so I make myself happy. No, it's not like that. But yeah, we drink coffee. We drink coffee, and then yes, we ask also, universe, show me something beautiful. Like we make a request and demand, and also acknowledge that we don't feel good. So before you move out from that not feeling good, it's also important that you acknowledge. So ang dami naming tools na binibigay sa inyo ngayon. Acknowledgement is a different tool. But yun kasi, we cannot also get into the space of gratitude if we don't acknowledge the things that are going on in our lives. If we don't acknowledge the bad things. So what are the things in your life that you haven't acknowledged yet? But if you acknowledge, could create a life of peace, ease, and joy, and glory. Ayun. So hindi na kami mag-clearing statement kasi hindi pa kami qualified.
Oo, totoo. So yes, magandang question yon. So yes, also yung kapag merong tao, speaking of the good, the bad, acknowledging the good, the bad, and the ugly. Because sometimes, people are gonna judge you anyway, right?
Yeah.
So what if instead of defending yourself from the judgments, what if you start looking at the things that you're grateful about this situation or this person that is judging you? We can always do that. Is acknowledgement does not mean you are judging that person for who he or she is, but and be grateful. Sometimes the universe weeds out your space para wala nang mga scammer sa iyong sa iyong
Yeah.
paligid. And what else is possible, diba? We win some and we lose some, and that's something to be grateful about.
So true, because there are a lot of people in our journey that is also not a contribution to our life. So when they make those kind of things in your life, then okay, if you know in your heart, deep in your heart, that you haven't done anything that you know anything wrong, parang for example, you did not do anything to that person, but that person just really hates you. There are people like that. They do everything and they say things even though you're not even talking to them, but they say, you hear and say things like, okay, those are kind of parang funny ang mga mga stories na lumalabas. But we cannot control, again, other people. And sometimes a lot of people get depressed because of that, because people attack them, and because people misunderstood you. And of course, in life, we will, most of the time, hindi tayo naiintindihan, no? Especially if you're a very unique being, a very unique, extraordinary person, you won't be understood. And as long as you know who you are, yun naman talaga ang ating basis. If you know who you are and you know that you did not do anything that could harm other people, and that is a Sunya premise. One of the Sunya premise is do no harm. Do no harm to the people around you. Do no harm to nature. As long as you know na wala kang na harm na tao, and then people still attack you, or a person is attacking you, then acknowledge that person, that person is like that. Don't treat it with rose colored glasses that person will change, because other people won't change for you. Okay, let me tell you, other people would not change for you. So stop wishing that people will change. Acknowledge them, receive from who they really are, like, okay, ganyan sila. And then be grateful for them, be grateful for their existence, be grateful for what lessons they could be bringing to you. But at the same time, receive from them, but it doesn't mean receive or ina-accept. That receiving is different from acceptance. Okay, so receiving is, hindi mo siya ni-reject, hindi mo rin siya parang minake true for you. Okay, but
Not judging.
yes, so receiving
Space
is,
of no judgment.
yes, it's just in a space of allowance. So malaking usapan yan. So it's in a workshop. So just join our calls and workshops every Wednesday.
Yes.
Happy Unicorn. We talk a lot about that. And just tonight, we're just talking about gratitude and peace, and how it's a contribution
Yes.
to you, and how it's a game changer for making your life making your life, parang at peace lang talaga. Kasi we did this last week, right? We did who are you grateful for? And it turned out
Yes.
like I don't know, everyone was in tears when we were talking about who are we grateful for. And we did not expect that session. We did not expect that conversation to move into parang mag-iyakan, yung ganon. Kasi iba lang talaga ang space ng gratitude when you're truly.
Exactly.
So when we ask about, like, for example, diba, we shared about who we are grateful for. Afterwards, we ask each other, okay, do we have anything to clear? Meron pa ba tayong mga problema, ganyan? And we were like staring at each other, and we're like, bakit parang wala tayong maisip na problema, kasi we
Yes.
started the day with gratitude. So wala kaming naisip
Yes.
issue, wala kaming naisip challenge.
Exactly. So yes, pwede ba akong mag-plug?
Yes, please flag.
Yes, speaking of Yes, speaking of speaking of peace and gratitude, we're going to have a bars class or access bars class very soon, and it's it's there nasa access bars din kasi aside from Sunya, we have this access bars. Yes, access bars
Yes.
class soon. And
Uh,
we are also going to hold a money isn't the problem. You are um before the bars class or after?
either.
Yes. Yeah, either. Because one thing that we forgot kasi, though the very first the the most hindi, most one of our favorite questions also in bars is how much are you willing to receive, and how much gratitude are you willing to receive, how much peace are you willing to receive. So yeah, we are inviting you for an access bar certification class soon. That will
Yeah.
be in September or
Or
October ba
October.
to?
I think October.
Yes.
First week of October.
Yeah, so we will just keep you posted. So
Yeah.
kato lang segue.
Thank you for plugging that, Shenier. Actually, one of the tools that really supported us, especially for people who kind of have a challenge with moving forward, like if they feel like they're stuck in a certain area, bars has been a great game changer for a lot of people. At the same time, before enrolling to the bars class, we also share how to do sunya so that they can also do their own self mastery practice and they get to be grounded. And Sunya is a wonderful meditation that can train your mind, you know. And I love it because it's natural. It doesn't induce you to get into a certain feeling. So there are a lot of meditations that teaches you how to feel love. But in Sunya, you don't envision and feel love. You just feel it naturally. No, hindi namin walang magaguide sa'yo na feel love. Walang ganon.
Yes, yes. Ganun pala talaga pagkasabi.
Ganon, di
Feel
ba?
love.
Feel love. And then,
Yes.
open eyes. Ganon, di ba? So, walang ganon po. You get into that space of love naturally.
Yes, exactly. Because see, that's you. It's you. We just magnify. Sunya magnifies it. Magnifies you being loved. Not just feeling it, but you being loved. You
True.
being
Not
it.
not just the feels of it, but you as love. So uh,
Yes.
it's a being. It's a beingness that is being promoted in Sunya. It's not
Exactly.
something that is forced or something that feels good lang, yung ganon. So this feels good. It's not something temporary, but it's something that is natural, wherein you don't get attached to a certain sound, music, or parang I cannot get into a state of peace if I don't hear that certain music. Okay, so wala siyang ganon na programming. As simple as you, kasi one of these days, what if there's no internet? What if there are no electricity? So you only have you and your breath. Oh my God, you need to practice right now, as early as now. What if you're left alone
Yes.
with only you and your breath and your fingers? At least you know how to do bars. So, yun ang aming mga pinapractice where tools that we can use with just by being us, by being us.
Yes.
Like,
True.
no tools
Um
need.
yes, it does. You don't need to be someone. You don't need to be someone. You don't need to be someone that you're not. The
Yeah,
world the world sees you as you are. So yeah, what if you acknowledge that, and start giving thanks to yourself, to your awesome and magical self.
yeah.
And yeah, and if it's like for you to practice sunya now, like now nagyod, after this call, you
Yes.
can just call, you can message us. Yes. And also, there will be a world meditation tomorrow. We also implore you to practice sunya at 6:08 a.m. in the morning. 6:08 a.m. in the morning. 6
Yeah.
6:08
It's,
in
it's,
the morning tomorrow, September 22nd, 2020. So 6:08 a.m. Join us in zero.
yes. So I think we'll just come up with a poster. Join us in Zero. You can do your sunya on that day, on that specific time, together with the other light
Yeah.
workers who are also doing the meditation. It's a global thing. And what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? Just, we entrain one another together. Ayan. So how much fun could it be? And
Yes.
what contribution would if we do it together? So here's
Yes.
a question from Ate Zarina. Hindi na lang ba natin, you're not gonna confront and let that person be?
Ano
You're
daw?
not gonna confront. I think it's something about you're not gonna confront and let that person be. Yes, for me, if a person is saying those crazy things, I don't confront. If they did not message me, if I only hear it from other people, it's not my story. Because
Yes.
other people, they love to make stories to get attention. They love to create stories about other people to get attention because, 'di ba, mas masarap mag-chismis. Mas masarap may pag-usapan ng ibang tao, other people are to blame except me. So it's lovely to talk about other people. So there are people like that, and I think for me lang, this is not something that you should be doing if it doesn't feel light for you. So for me, I don't confront that kind of person unless that person messages me like, I have a problem with you. Okay, yes, what's your problem? So I'm gonna entertain you if you message me. But if you don't message me, if I hear it from other people, it's not my problem. Why are you talking to other people and not me? If you have a problem with me, come to me, come to Tina. Ayun. So, I'm happy to
Yes.
talk to you. Ayan. Pero kung hindi ka nga nila kinonfront, maybe you're not the problem.
It could also it was also discussed yesterday kay Dr. Lim, ano nung Friday with Dr. Lim
Yeah.
Sunya Talks. Um, about this is just an interesting point of view, ha. Sometimes
Yeah.
confrontation means defense.
Yeah.
So
True.
yeah, so what is the point of defending yourself? If you know your truth, there is nothing to defend. You don't need to defend yourself about it.
Yes.
Ito lang.
If you know who you are, and you know that you did not harm other people, because a lot of people will make stories and make you wrong, and
Yes.
that's so crazy, and that's why a lot of people feel sad and depressed because other people make them wrong. What if you're not wrong? What if you're not wrong? So, yun, ang dami na namin sinatapon na mga questions and tools to you. And yes, I hope you had a wonderful time reflecting on those, and not to find the answer, but to keep asking yourself. Just ask those questions. You don't have to find the answer. Just ask yourself, what am I not willing to receive today? What am not what am I grateful for today? And diba? So, yun lang. Those kind of questions. And, be open and allow yourself to just receive from what it is. And yeah. And of course, be kind to yourself. I think that's a really lovely tool also.
Yes. Yes, true. Because balikan nga natin ang theme ng International Day of Peace is shaping peace together. Now, how can you shape peace within you if you're not kind to yourself? If you do
Yeah.
not show compassion or if you do not give love to yourself, ang sabi din kasi ng may marami ding si Tesla ba yun? Yung acceptance and gratitude. So, kasama na dyan si kindness. And nandun din yan sa access bars. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Part of our classes, you can join us. For money isn't the problem, you are. So if you have challenges and points of view about money that's not working for you, and how much are you willing to receive from money? And the universe is always gifting you. Are you truly receiving? Yun talaga yung tanong eh. The God is always gifting to you. So I'm just gonna use God, or higher power is always gifting to you. But are you willing to receive? 'Di ba? Parang ito lang din yung statement na nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. Meaning God has just been giving you, pero ikaw yung magre-receive. Alam nga naman si God pa yung mag-receive para sa'yo. Hello po. Hello. Hi. So, diba, God is giving you a lot of things and just receive it. Ang gagawin mo lang po is to receive it. You know, so maybe there are things in your life that you're not receiving. So what are those? And join us, and we are all grateful for you, lahat sa yung mga nanonood tonight with us. Thank you for journeying with us for this 3-episode series for Suicide Prevention Month. And hope that you can also share this to people who are going through something, or you can, let them talk to us. We can be of contribution. We can give out a 30-minute guidance, parang guidance counselor, hindi naman. Facilitation session, or coaching session officially by Darlene. Darlene can also do that for you. We offer that in the Fox Tribe. It's for free, only 30 minutes. Libre siya for the first 30 minutes. So pag mag-extend ka, extend mo sa internet cafe, mag-extend ko, mauna na siguro ang charge. Pero sa 30 minutes, we can do a lot of changes. We can do many changes in that. But of course, it's gonna be you choosing the change. And on Saturday, 10 a.m., we will be having a session at exactly 10 a.m. If you go to our Sunya Center here in Davao City, with social distancing po tayo, we will be teaching you how to do Sunya this Saturday. So we hope you could join us. It's also a free session, so please avail sa aming mga free sessions, because some of our sessions are not free. Our access bars is a hooping, meron siyang cost, mga access bars namin, but Sunya is for free. So for people who still have challenges with money, Sunya is a wonderful start. We can teach you Sunya, and from there, let's grow. From there, let's have fun with the Fox Tribe.
Yes, fun. And that is really it's really an awesome talk. I love talking. We all love talking about peace and gratitude, everything, especially gratitude. Oh my God. Gratitude really is a game changer. So if you have money problems, you can also just pause and be grateful for every centavo that you have right now, for every penny, for the food that you eat. Yan lang. For the air, everything. You start small,
Yes.
You give thanks for the small things that you have, for every little thing that you have in your life.
Yeah.
And I thank you.
So insert na namin ang song ni India Ari na Give Thanks.
Yes, let's share that.
Give thanks.
I love that song.
Give thanks.
Give thanks. Give thanks for all that is. Tapos biglang naghang na naman ang mukha ko.
There would never be another day just like this day. So mali na akong lyrics, guys. So paminaw na lang din mo paki-Google or paki-YouTube, sa Give Thanks by India Ari. So
India Ari.
Type that. It's a wonderful song. You can search that in Spotify and YouTube. We cannot play it for you right now kasi baka merong mga copyright, ma-block ang ato ang gwapo kay nga conversation. So India Ari, I hope you allow that. But hello to our goddesses, Fanny Rodriguez, Hannah Alnuaim, and of course, Miss Jenny Nalia. Hello po sa inyo. And hello
mga bayhana mo.
Mga bayhana. Okay. Hello to Baldassar Castor, the greatest love of all, loving yourself first and miracles happen.
Yes.
Yun. Miracles happen. So, di ba, ginabutangan mo ta mga musical kayo. Dili lagi pwede mag-share. Lami unta kayo magka ng karaoke sa live, guys ba? Pero, okay ra, kaya na makapiright yun ta. So, we have Miss Atsa Merlinda. Gratitude is a blessing magnet. The more grateful you are, the more blessings will come. This is from
Truthfully.
Ayun. And we have Tita Z, Ate Z will join us this Saturday. Awesome. We would love that.
Yay!
Darlene can do 4 minutes free coaching. Ayan. Again, dilagyan pa kayo ng 10 minutes extension ni Darlene. Awesome.
Yay! Thank you.
avail of that free coaching that is very expensive. That is very expensive. So avail of our Fox Tribe free coaching and free sessions. If you want the two of us, kami ni Zai, if you want us to process, charot lang, to facilitate you into your journey. So, magkaroling pod mi sa live. Oh yes, tama. Sa sunod, ang amo ang session sa Zero Fox Given, magkaroling kasi butang na mong GCash. Pakihulog na lang. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. O diba? Charot. So,
Ready
hello
na,
to
ready na.
Ready na. Jingle bell, jingle bell. So, wala sa amok lagi kay minom. Maraming unsa mong giinom?
Reishi mushroom powder.
I had spirulina. So, wait. Sino pa ba? So, we're just, ayan. So, hello to all. Hello to our 16 million viewers. Kanina, we picked at 22 million. That's our highest for this episode, diba? So, we are truly grateful for you. Salamat sa panonood. At sana ay kayo ay natutuwa sa aming mga pagmumukha.
Yes.
I want to show you also Zai's shirt. It's so nice. I love Zai's shirt. So, ito, how much fun can I create if I am a crown ambassador? So, if you want
there
print of that shirt, it's a DXN crown ambassador shirt. How much fun can I create if I am a crown ambassador? Ayun. If you want that shirt, give us a shirt. Tapos, ipe-print namin. No, syempre may bayad ang printing. So,
or they can order. Give us your size. And
you can also order a shirt. Give us your size. So, daghan kay mig merchandise, guys. And we would like to promote also A&B Cafe if you want cold brew coffee on your doorstep. Just
yes, A&B.
Or message Banene Resede. So, yan. Lion's mane powder daw itong inom ninyo. Mushroom na lang gina mong ginatira, guys. Kanang grabe. All kinds of mushroom is inside our blood and veins, and we're so grateful.
Yes.
We're grateful for the mushroom we ingest every day, and our skin and everything. It's just so fun to be grateful. So, of course, ingon Zai nga 30 minutes rame, now abot gyud mi og 54 minutes. So,
Sheshe.
We hope to see you soon, and blessings, and have a wonderful evening. Have peace and gratitude. Practice Sunya, stay zero, and see you soon. Blessings.